Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Vivoactive 4 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to first restart the Vivoactive 4 if it's frozen or if you just want to turn it on and off again. And then I will show you how to perform a factory reset of your Garmin Vivoactive 4. Alright, so let's go and get started. If you find that your Vivoactive 4 is unresponsive or seems to be frozen, all you need to do is hold down this top button right here around the 2 o'clock hour marker. Hold that down for about 15 seconds. So I'm going to do that right now just to show you as an example. So hold it down. You'll see the control menu come up, and then if you have Garmin Assistance configured, that'll come up as well. Continue holding the button. If you release it, it'll activate Garmin Assistance. So you want to keep holding it down until the screen turns black, just like that, and then you can release. And now the Vivoactive 4 has turned off. So if the watch was frozen, that should do a quick reset of it to turn it off. And now all we need to do is just hold down the power button for a second to have it turn back on. So if you see the emblem, that means that it is turning back on. Alright, so now that I've shown you how to do a restart of your Vivoactive 4, I will show you how to do a factory reset if you want to remove all the data from your Vivoactive 4. So this can be useful if you plan on selling the watch, or if it's not working and you want to just get it back to default, back to the way it was when you first got it. So the first thing we need to do is simply hold down the back button right here. This is the button at about 4 o'clock on the hour marker. Just hold that down for a couple seconds until the menu opens up. Once the menu opens up, scroll down until you see the gear and select that to open the settings. Then in the settings, we need to scroll all the way down until we get to System and select System. And then in the System settings, we need to scroll down until we see Reset. So you'll have a couple different options in here. The first is Reset Default Settings. So that'll change all the settings in the watch back to their default settings. This will keep any apps, widgets, or watch faces that you have on the watch, including any music you've uploaded. The next reset option we have is going to be Delete Data and Reset Settings. This will be a factory reset. So I'm going to select that. And as you can see, it just says that it'll clear all the data from the watch. So now all we need to do is select the little check mark at the bottom of the screen, and then it will do a factory reset of our Garmin Vivoactive 4. So you'll see the emblem. That lets you know that it's actually doing it. Once you see the languages come up and then this little image of the watch pairing with the Garmin Connect app, that means that the factory reset has been successfully completed, and you now need to go through the initial setup process for your Garmin Vivoactive 4. Now, if you're not sure how to do that, check the description because I do have a tutorial covering how to do that. All right, so that's how you perform a factory reset of your Garmin Vivoactive 4. If you'd like to see more Garmin Vivoactive 4 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.